This entire video you're watching, multi-shot, scripted, with voiceover and music, was planned and built in one conversation with an AI. I told Runway Agent, I need a launch video. It pitched the concept, outlined the scenes, and then generated the full publish-ready video for me. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to do the exact same thing so you can go from I need a video to a finished campaign video in one conversation. Before we build anything, here's what Runway Agent actually gives you. A product launch video with multiple shots, on-screen text, and narration, done in one chat. A brand story video for a new feature, with scenes, transitions, voiceover, and music already synced. A quick campaign recap video, highlight clips, titles, and a full script you didn't have to write from scratch. If you've ever thought, I know what I want, I just don't have the time or team to make it, open Runway in a tab and follow along with me. Step 1. Go to app.runwayml.com and log into your Runway account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. You'll see your previous projects and a sidebar with tools like Gen 4, Multi-Shot, Characters, and more. In the sidebar or top navigation, look for Agent or Runway Agent. Click Runway Agent. This opens a chat-style interface. This is where we'll go from I need a video to a complete campaign video without ever opening a traditional editor. Here's how Runway Agent thinks so you can get good results on your first try. You give it 3 things: what you need a video for, who it's for, and how you want it to feel. Agent turns that into a concept, a storyboard with scene-by-scene beats, a script, visuals for each shot, voiceover, and music, all assembled into one multi-shot video. You're not just typing a prompt and hoping. You see the full plan first, edit it, then tell Agent to build the video once you're happy. Think of it like working with a creative partner that can pitch ideas, take feedback, and then handle the production for you. Let's create a product launch video together. In the Agent chat, type this with me or tweak it for your own product. Prompt: I need a 45-60-second launch video for a new AI tool that helps creators edit faster. The video will be used on LinkedIn and Instagram. I want it to feel modern, fast-paced, and clear, with a mix of on-screen text, UI shots, and simple lifestyle visuals. Target audience: creators and marketers. Send that message. Agent will respond with a proposed concept and angle. It might give your video a title, a core message, and a short description of the overall idea. Read it and ask yourself, does this sound like how I talk about my product? Would my audience get this? If it's off, don't start over. Just answer like you would to a teammate. For example, make the tone a bit more direct and less buzzwordy. Focus more on saving time and less on generic AI magic. Send that. Agent will adjust the concept and tone based on your feedback. Once the concept is locked, Agent will propose a scene-by-scene outline, your story beats. You'll see something like Scene 1, Hook, Scene 2, Problem, Scene 3, Solution, Scene 4, Features, Scene 5, Call to Action. This is your moment of control. Go through each scene and check. Is the hook strong enough? Does it explain the problem clearly? Are we showing the right features? If a scene doesn't work, tell Agent exactly what to change. For example, in Scene 1, make the hook more specific. Call out creators spending hours editing, not just busy professionals. Add a dedicated scene that shows before-after editing time to make the time savings clear. Agent will update the outline and represent the full flow, so you can see your entire video on one page before anything gets generated. Once the outline feels right, hook, story, features, CTA, tell Agent you're happy with the structure. For example, this outline looks good. Let's move forward and script the video. Agent will then expand each beat into a full script with narration and shot descriptions. Agent now gives you a full script, what the voiceover says, and what each scene should look like. Read the script out loud in your head. Does it sound like you? Would you actually say these lines? If it feels too formal or too hypey, respond with clear direction, like, Make the script more conversational and less corporate. Shorter sentences, more direct language. Replace any vague claims like revolutionary with specific benefits like cuts editing time in half. You can also tweak visual direction. If Agent suggests generic city stock footage, but you'd rather show product shots, say, use more UI and screen recording style visuals instead of generic office footage. Agent will update both the script and scene visuals accordingly. When you're happy with the script and scenes, it's time to actually build the video. Type something like, "This script and outline look good. Generate the full multi-shot video with voiceover and music." Agent will confirm and start building your video. Rendering scenes, applying transitions, recording AI voiceover, and adding background music. You'll see progress as it works through each section. Depending on length, this can take a bit, but remember, you're skipping scripting, editing, and assembling manually. When the video is ready, hit play and watch it all the way through. Check 3 things. Is the narrative clear? Do the visuals match what you had in mind? Does the voiceover tone fit your brand? If something is off, you don't have to scrap it. You can ask Agent for focused changes like regenerate the voiceover with a slightly more energetic tone. Change the music to something a bit more subtle so it doesn't overpower the narration. Adjust Scene 3 visuals to show more product UI and less abstract imagery. Agent can regenerate specific scenes or elements while keeping the overall structure intact. Once you're happy with the full video, click the Export or Download option. Choose the format and resolution that match your campaign, 16:9 for YouTube and LinkedIn, 9:16 or 4.5 for Instagram and TikTok if available. Download the file and it's ready to upload straight to your platform of choice, or drop into a timeline if you want to add logos, subtitles, or extra tweaks. That was a product launch video, but the workflow is the same for other campaigns. For a feature announcement, your initial message might be, "I need a 30-second video announcing a new feature for our app." The goal is to show what changed and why it matters, with clear before-after moments and on-screen callouts. Agent will pitch an angle, build beats, script it, and then generate a finished video the exact same way. For a campaign recap, you might say, "I need a 45-second recap video for a recent campaign, key stats, highlight moments, and a closing thank you. Tone, celebratory but professional." Agent responds with a concept, outline, script, visuals, then a built video. The pattern is simple. Describe what you need, react to the plan, shape it, then let Agent produce the full multi-shot video with voiceover and music. Now it's your turn. Go to app.runwayml.com/agent, start a new conversation, and tell Runway Agent what campaign you're working on next. Launch video, feature drop, recap, whatever's on your roadmap. Tell me in the comments what kind of campaign you're going to try this on. Product launches, B2B explainers, course promos, and I might break down your use case in another video. And if you want to try Runway Agent yourself, use the link app.runwayml.com/agent and the code AGENT50 to get 50% off your first 3 months. That's in the description, along with all the required tags and details. Hit like if this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more AI-powered creative workflows, and I'll see you inside your next campaign video.